But alright guys, I make some vegetable for you today. Sunday dinner. I have cabbage and carrot. I use quarter of a small cabbage. Right, so I'm just cut it in half and cut it in another. Then we are going to use the potato peeler. We are going on the edge part. Let's get with this. Alright, if you skill by your knife, you can use a knife. Don't skill by my knife too, you know. Long time I make vegetable, you know, my daughter now we make vegetable from morning. You know, see that? So, right, let me do a video. One time. So I have to try and do it as thin as possible. Okay. Telephone love, it felt so sweet on the line. Telephone love, you make my day every time. Cabbage into the bowl. We are going with a little vinegar, not too much. We are going with a little sugar. Alright, and just combine them together. And guys, if you're afraid of sugar, don't use it. But this is how it's prepared. Right? And that's it. Simple and easy.